So it's time to finally say goodbye to brush lag with these easy fixes. Currently here in Photoshop, if I go and just use my standard brush tool with the hard round brush setting, and I go and drag around my photo, you can see how it's a little bit laggy. If you look at where my cursor is compared to where the line is, you can see it takes some time to get there. So that's some clear lag in action. Now the first and most common reason why brush lag occurs is because of the smoothing setting. Now with your brush tool active, up in the options bar, you see this setting here called smoothing, and smoothing essentially makes it so that you can create nice smooth lines without having to worry about little shakes in your hand. This can be useful for drawing, but it does end up giving you brush lag because Photoshop has to think more about how it can smooth the edge over where you have just painted. So to remove that brush lag completely, make sure your smoothing is either at a lower setting or put it all the way down to 0. And now if I click and drag, notice how the line is sitting exactly with my cursor and there is no lag whatsoever, no matter where I go or how fast I move the mouse. So that's the first and most common solution to this problem. But if you're still experiencing issues, the next thing you need to check is your brush settings. To access your brush settings, go up to Window and then down here to Brush Settings. And then in this panel here, you can see there's different settings for scattering, texture, or things like that. And depending on your brushes that you're using, especially if you're downloading some from online and they're brushes for a specific task, oftentimes these brush settings will be saved with the brush so that the output of your brush looks a little bit different. However, because of those extra things involved with using the brush, it can slow down Photoshop and sometimes cause your brush to lag. So in that case, you can either try to use a different brush that doesn't have as many brush settings active, or you can go and just uncheck the brush settings that you do not want to use and then try your brush again so that hopefully it will begin to not lag anymore. Now the third reason why your brush is probably lagging in Photoshop is because your project size is too large. Now obviously I have 2 pretty much blank layers in this example project, but obviously in other projects they can quickly expand to be very large and put a lot of strain on your computer. In that case, even the most basic brush adjustments can cause Photoshop to slow down a little bit. If you are in a situation where you have a ton of layers, what I would recommend doing is merging layers together that you do not need to edit anymore. To do that, you can just shift click your layers, right click, and go to merge layers, and then that will merge them into one and reduce the overall file size of your project and hopefully fix some of that brush lag. But again, only merge those layers if you know 100% you do not need to edit them afterwards, because this is sort of a destructive adjustment. Now the final way that you can fix your brush lag is actually going into the performance settings of Photoshop. Currently I'm on a Mac, so it's going to be a bit different if you're on a PC, but I'm going to go to Photoshop, Preferences, and then Performance. But I believe if you're on a PC, it's Edit Photoshop Performance or something like that. So I'm going to click on Performance here. Either way, Mac or PC, you'll end up in the same location. And within the memory usage, if you have the Let Photoshop Use setting to a very low amount, this can leave you with brush lag because your computer is dedicating more resources to other open programs and other things running on your computer while you're working in Photoshop. So what you can do is increase the amount that Photoshop is able to use, as well as make sure that the Use Graphics Processor is enabled. Go to your advanced settings and make sure that these 3 options are enabled as well. If all else fails, this is the final resort that I would go to fix your brush lag problems. If you're still experiencing issues, I would definitely recommend to check out your computer specs in relation to Photoshop's recommended specs. If Photoshop is maxing out your computer, this can lead to brush lag, and unfortunately, there's not really many things you can do to fix that. I have a list of all of the recommended settings to use Photoshop over on my website. I'll leave a link for that down below if you are interested. Now anyways, I hope you found the answer to your brush lagging problems in this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button down below.